GripTight Elbow Test Plug. Versatile design for testing elbow configurations. Installation video. Place the GripTight Elbow Test Plug inside the elbow and center the plug within the pipe. The GripTight Elbow Test Plug must fit with the full length of the grippers inside the elbow. Use a star pattern sequence to incrementally tighten the hex nuts until the test plug has gripped to the elbow inner diameter. Repeat the sequence with a torque wrench until the appropriate torque specification for the plug size has been applied. The GripTight Elbow Test Plug is now successfully installed. GripTight Elbow Test Plugs use patented GripTight MAX self-aligning gripper and seal design, providing a safe and effective environment for testing long radius elbows at pressures up to 3,350 psig, 231 bar G. GripTight Elbow Test Plugs have been independently evaluated and tested by TUV Rhineland. For more information, visit cw-estgroup.com/elbow.